Magic 8 ball. Am I gonna do a room tour for YouTube? So it shall be. Welcome to my room tour. Toni, say hi to YouTube. I got a king bed with no king, period. Welcome to my crib. Hey everyone, it's JB. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a room tour. I'm currently in my room in Long Beach and I'm super excited to make this video because I've been wanting to for such a long time. For those of you who don't know, I actually moved back to the Bay Area in November, but I'm still paying for my lease until it ends in the end of January. I'm making this video today because I'm selling some of my furniture, so this is the last time I'm gonna have my room put together the way that it is. So I figured I'd make this video just to show everyone the room that I've been living in for the past 2 years. So just a little backstory. I moved to Long Beach from the Bay in January 2023. So we moved into this house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom in Long Beach. I do have the master bedroom. I don't know the dimensions of the room or the square footage, but it's literally huge. I could do 2 cartwheels comfortably across the floor, and you could probably fit 15 people in here if you remove the furniture and have a little kiki or whatever. It's huge. I love it. Because I have the master bedroom, I do have my own bathroom, which is great. It has a shower tub, and I do have a huge walk-in closet as well that opens with double doors. I've moved a lot of my stuff back home to the Bay Area, but it was big enough to fit in all of my clothes along with my dresser. And I do have a king bed that has some storage underneath. I'm really excited to show you guys my room. Let's get started with this tour. So when you open the door, there's a light switch and it does have a dimmer. And I also have one in the bathroom, which is amazing because I'm a night owl and I don't like being exposed to sunlight. I'm a vampire, say what you want or whatever, but I actually prefer my room being dark. I know you can't really tell the difference right now in the lighting because it's still daylight outside, but lighting for whatever mood you want. Hello. So this is a chaise lounge chair from Wayfair that I bought. I went to the Philippines in May last year and my auntie has a chaise lounge chair in her room and I loved it. And at the time, there is nothing here, so I felt like this was the perfect thing to place here, especially because I don't believe in having outside clothes on the bed. You're nasty. That's gross. Change. This chaise lounge, I'm okay with having outside clothes, and I pretty much used it for storage. I'd put my laundry or whatever on here. I probably would have put like a clothing rack instead because there's quite a bit of space. When I first moved in, I was contemplating putting my dresser in this location instead, but I ended up pushing it back to the wall. This is my chaise lounge chair. It's very comfortable. It's upholstered. It's like therapy. Oh, didn't see you there. So in this corner, we have the 6-drawer Malm dresser from IKEA. It's really popular. I'm actually such a big fan of the Malm collection because it's very minimal. So I'll show you what's on top of my dresser. I have an orchid. It's a real one from Trader Joe's. It's still alive. I haven't been home in a while. I probably bought it in October, but she's still standing. I put the YSL box and the Sephora bag just as decor. I think it's empty. It's literally empty, but it's got that little pattern, so I feel like it looks cute. And then I have a little book collection here. I went to Barnes & Noble and they had a little designer book collection. So I bought the Louis Vuitton, Prada, and Chanel one. And then just some books. I've read Milk and Honey, Badass Habits, and The Sun and Her Flowers. I read a little bit of the 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. And then I haven't read Mountain Is You yet. Underneath is a little jewelry box. I think I moved the jewelry from inside, but that was from Target. Over here, I don't know what it's called, but I think it's a vanity holder, vanity tray. I think it's meant for perfumes, but I put my Mon Paris box because I like the way the box looks. And this is literally my favorite perfume of all time. It's got like a floral scent, which I really like. I've been trying to find a new one, but it's honestly been really hard to find one that I like that smells kind of similar. I got this little female body decor piece because we love women or whatever from Amazon. And then this is a rose quartz because always trying to manifest love and light into our life, right? I put my black Prada bag there just to give this area touches of black. And then I have this jewelry holder. It's from Urban Outfitters. I think it was like $30 or something. And then I got this pink candle from TJ Maxx. I don't know what kind of plant this is completely, but I think it's a foliage plant from Trader Joe's. It looks really sad right now. This type of plant definitely needs more care than the other ones that I have, but I've been gone for more than a month essentially, so I'm unable to water this. So a lot of leaves were dead and falling. It used to be so much more full, but I think it's called a foliage plant. Little green to help freshen up the room, you know. When I was thinking about how I wanted to decorate my room, I was definitely going for like a minimal look, just because I feel like I don't want my room to look messy. I don't want to have too many things out when my room is clean, because girl, when it's not like this, she's got a depression room, okay? I was working 312s, and when I was living in Long Beach, I was miserable at the hospital that I was working at because the acuity was so high. I was always stressed. I felt so tired all the time. I felt like I was being overworked, and I couldn't handle working more than 2 days in a row at that job. And here we are, my favorite part of my room. It's where my king bed is. I love sleep. For those of you who don't know, I could sleep all day if I really wanted to and not bat an eye. But yeah, this is my king bed. It's also from Wayfair. It's an upholstered bed in beige color, and there's 4 drawers underneath because I wanted storage. I got the mattress from Amazon, and comforter and the linens are also from Amazon as well. Super comfy. This is where the magic happens. And by magic, I mean this is where I get 8+ hours of sleep on a good day. That's the magic. I got, I think, a 12-inch mattress. Toni, come here. She likes this big ass bed. So do I. You literally front flip on it, jump on it.
This is for demonstration purposes.
Getting a king bed, slight flex, you know. It's very large in size. You need a room big enough to fit it. But I was like, you know what? Let me get a king bed. I've never had the chance to have a king. My bedroom at home, my bed is a full. So I got it, and I'm happy because it does fill up space. I feel like with larger rooms, you really need to be mindful of the furniture you're putting in because there's so much more space to fill, right? So that's why I'm so happy I got the king bed. I got a king bed with no king, period. I'm gonna jump on it to show you how much fun it is. I don't know, I don't think this is a good idea. I'm not a child. Oh my gosh, I should have stretched before. See, being 27, you're not as bendy as when you're a child. Tony's like, what the fuck are you doing?
Mom, what are you doing?
Man, I'm tired after doing all that. Hi, Toni. This is my other end table. It has my lamp. So I got my lamp from Amazon, and you just connect it with a USB, but all you do is hold to turn it on. And there's a lot of different colors, so you just tap to change it. Kind of nice to like set the mood or whatever. I usually keep it on this one. It's like a white LED light if I don't want all my overhead lights on. My room has a large window that lets a lot of nice daylight in, which I love because it gives the room such nice natural lighting. But I do have blackout curtains, and I tend to only open one. This is my handy dandy desk area. I got this desk from Wayfair too. I have this vanity light from Conair that I've had for literally years. Maybe since college. I just replaced the light bulbs, but this is my vanity mirror, and I have 2 drawers here. But yeah, this is where I do my makeup. I have a lamp in the back, but I don't actually use it. It's very warm colored, and I'd rather have an LED type of lamp. Man, that jumping on the bed and like fucking doing somersaults, that took me out. I'm washed. I'm 27 and I'm washed because that was just too much. Whee! Usually when I'm sitting here, I'm just doing my makeup, doing my skincare, or FaceTiming someone. I don't really do work on my laptop in this corner. I prefer sitting on my bed because it's more comfortable, but it is what it is. She's the spot. I'll show you my setup for my makeup. Got it from the TikTok shop. So when I'm doing my makeup, I use this. I put all my brushes up here, kind of organize them by what I use them for. So this is kind of like my concealer, bronzer area, and blush. And then over here where I use my powder brush and for highlighter. It's kind of from left to right for my steps. I have my foundation here. I've been using this Bare Minerals one for a while. I have my concealers, my blushes. I've been using this Morphe palette though. I need to get a new one because I don't like that it doesn't have the cover over because it broke off. And then I have my highlighters, Rare Beauty, Ilia, powder, powder, and then for my eye makeup, I use these brushes. I have my lash brushes and some lip stuff. Fenty, of course. This is also a basic eyeshadow palette. It's very neutral, but this is what pretty much I use for my makeup. So I just close this up, and it's big enough to where I can close it even if I have stuff kind of filled over the top. It's really flexible. I like it. And that's how I carry my things. So behind me is my walk-in closet. There's 2 double doors. So extra. Let me do that again. I can open it one by one. Close it. Or I can open just one side. Very easy. I really like this walk-in closet, and it opens and closes really easily. Honestly, this walk-in closet is huge. Probably would cost $1,000 if it was in San Francisco or New York City. Hi MTV, welcome to my crib. Hi MTV, my name is JD. Welcome to my crib. It's huge. I can, like, 2 people could sleep in here comfortably. Like I said, I did move a lot of things out of here because I moved to the Bay because my job started in November, but I still have a good amount of things. I'm in town visiting Long Beach actually, so I can move some more stuff out. But this is my closet. Here, over yonder, we have kind of my jewelry. I love me a good claw clip. I keep them here. These are jewelry pieces I don't typically use. Hair stuff, more clips, sunglasses. This is like my tech stuff down here. And then I have pens, scissors, things like that. Here, I used to keep my socks, bra and underwear. Well, I actually still have some, but this is kind of that spot. I have like this container of candy and gum because you need that when you go out, right? And then I just have a bunch of like miscellaneous stuff. So here I have a wired basket for my laundry, and then I kept some shoes there. And then the white one is for fresh laundry. I have coats here, I have dresses on this side, and then here is more outerwear. And then I have like cardigans, sweaters, sweatshirts, crew necks down here, just some storage. This is my full-length gold frame mirror from Wayfair. I love it. She was the moment when I took my mirror selfies. She's got that little gold accent. We had some good times together. This is a really quality mirror. She's cute or whatever. We definitely had so much fun taking mirror selfies. I got the mascara from Trader Joe's. I have like a couple with fenestrations. These ones are new. This one's sprouting, that's new. I think this one has always been there. But that's my mascara. And if you're watching this video and you notice that my background looks different, my friends just came to pick up my dresser. So I'm getting rid of my furniture, so I moved my lounge chair to the back. I put Toni's dog bed on the ground, so it's kind of out of the way. She can choose where she wants to lie down, but she's right there. Say hi, Toni. Hi. She looks so sophisticated. Now we're gonna go to the bathroom. Lovely. Alright, party people, welcome to the last place in my room tour, the bathroom tour. I have a shower here, shower tub. It's like a rain shower. Great, and I could switch it. Other setting. Very good water pressure, that's important. The shower, I have this curtain. I got it from Target. It has the liner and then the linen. This is the lineup. It's my Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. I have some hair stuff. The purple shampoos are when I was blonde, but clearly I've healed from whatever and I dyed my hair dark. I can't use that anymore. When Asian girls go from blonde to dark, you know they're standing on business. I don't want to go black because I feel like that's kind of boring because it's my natural hair. So I opted for like a chocolate brown kind of situation, and I love her. She's great. Dyeing my hair was kind of my way of embracing this new era of my life where I moved back to the Bay. New job, new dog, new life. I have my sink here and the toilet necessary. This bathroom also has a dimmer. I'm sitting on my toilet seat to show you that this is where I go after a night of drinking with my Charmin Ultra 2-ply essential. There it is. It's my sink, my mirror. If you've watched any of my get ready with me videos, you've seen this space before. Or if you've seen other videos, sometimes I'm doing skincare, whatever here. We have a medicine cabinet with random stuff. Period. Now that my dresser is gone, I think I can do some cartwheels. Let me just like stretch a little so I don't pull anything, because I'm not as bendy as before. I think I can do 2 cartwheels, Tony? I don't know about 2, but I can definitely do 1. Oh my gosh. I was scared I was gonna hit something, so I undercut it. I feel like I need more space. Not me psyching myself out. I can do better, but I feel like I'm gonna kick something. Sorry. She hasn't done cheer in like 10 years. I love how my room's so big. I can just have all these POVs. And the lighting is immaculate. I'm gonna miss this room so much. Like, you guys have no idea. Just the bed itself. I sleep so good. It literally feels like a cloud. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, don't lick your paws. Don't do that. Oh, okay. Come here. Tony, say hi to YouTube. Say hi, Tony. I rescued Tony in October. On October 1st, she was roaming the streets in Sunnyvale at 1:30 at night. And she was so sweet. Didn't have a microchip or collar. Nobody claimed her, so I adopted her, and she's literally my best friend. Well, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this video and showing you guys my room. I'm actually really sad that I'll be moving out soon. This room meant so much to me. It really symbolized this era of my life when I lived in LA. It definitely, I feel like, represents who I am at this moment. Also, I didn't want to hang things up on the wall. I tend to leave my walls bare. I just couldn't decide on anything to put up, so I just left it blank. So some may say that, you know, my room is lacking a little bit of flavor or whatever, but I'm 27. I'm really like lazy about decorating. It is what it is. Thanks so much for watching. My name is JP. Hope to see you guys watching another YouTube video. Please leave a comment if you like any of my furniture, if you like anything in the video, if you want to say hi to Tony. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hi, Tony. Is that your bed? She said yeah.